In this video, I will show you how to create a pop-up for email subscribers in Shopify. So the first thing you need to do is just click on settings and then click on apps and sales channels. Click on Shopify App Store and then search for Shopify Forms. Press enter. Then click on Shopify Forms. Click on install. Click on create form. Then click on pop-up form. Then name the form. For example, click on create. Then for this, I will choose the floating. And then you can also choose the position on your store, like bottom left, bottom center. I will choose bottom right. And then in the teaser, you can also choose if first before the form, like that. So I will choose this, show first. So you can also edit the title here. So for example, I will edit it. Like I will type get it or get it now. Like that. And then in the form, in the title, you can also edit it if you want to change it. Like sign up for 10% discount here. Then in the content, you can also edit the content here. So for example, we'll just type complete the form to sign up and get 10% discount, like that. And you will see it here. And then after that, on the fields, you can also change this. If you want the field label is first name, like that, you can edit it. You can change it. So this, you can also change it. Then you can also add a new field if you want to add last name, phone, or birthday. And then in email marketing consent, you can choose on phone submission and phone submission if a box is checked, like don't subscribe customers to marketing, like that. So I'll choose this on bottom label. You can also edit this. Like for example, I will type subscribe, like that. And then you can also edit the consent here. So it is optional only if you want to edit this. You can also make it bold, italic, and then in success, the confirmation behavior, you can just show message or redirect to another page. So in show message, you can also add a discount. So it is a optional here to create a discount. Okay. So just click on create a discount code if you have no discount, and then you can also edit the title, like that. And then the content, you can also edit the content. So if you want to redirect to another page, just type the URL here, paste it here. And then in the styling, you can edit the styling here. Edit the color of the background, the color of the text, like that. The accent color, and then the form fields, if it's white or transparent. You can also edit the fonts here, the fonts that you want based on your preferences. And then you can also add the image. If you want the image on left or right or background image. So just click on add image and then choose the file on your computer. For example, I don't want to add no image. And then on devices, if you want desktop only or mobile only, so I will choose all devices. And then on pages, you can choose between show all pages, or show only on a specific page types or trigger. You can choose between first page view, second page view, or third. And then after waiting for, you can also add a seconds here, for example 2 seconds. And then you can also choose the languages here. And then you can also add a tags here. So for example, I will just type example or form like that. And then I will check this, send an email for each submission to this form. And then here, to automate it, the workflows, just click on manage, then choose the automation that you want here. Or you can create custom automations. And that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.